Lynn and I are really excited because we have just started a new Center for Health Research on Women and Sex Differences in Medicine, which we're calling the Wisdom Center. And this is actually our launch event. We've actually done 2 prior basic and translational research on sex difference symposia. One was on cardiovascular medicine and one was kind of all institutes. But this one is focusing on neuroscience. And we're very excited. I'll let Lynn say a few more things.
So everyone that was here, I think we went over the vision and mission, and we're very excited about being able to advance education and research in these areas. And I'd like to just thank one more time all the people that helped today and our advisory board, and just remind you again to look at our website for our May 15th symposium, which will be in the afternoon. That's going to be a very different type of symposium than today. That's going to be focused on clinical areas, mostly focused on women's health.
And in fact, our keynote speaker on May 15th is Susan Love, who's the author of the Susan Love Breast Book. And we'll have quite a panel on a whole set of talks on breast cancer and cancer survivorship, but we'll also be covering many other topics in concurrent sessions, so you have to choose between them. On this particular symposium, this is all plenary, so everybody's here at one time. And with that, I think we'll go ahead and move to our first panel. So we're going to have 3 talks. There are different lengths, but I'm giving them cue cards so they know when their time is up, and we're going to do a little quick shift between speakers. And then at the end of that, we're going to have a panel discussion where you have a chance to ask them questions and they can interact with each other. And so it's actually, I'll just list the topics right now. The first one is the genetics of social behavior, understanding how we mate, fight, and parent by Neerav Shah, who actually came down from UCSF. We did have to go a little farther to get the best talent in the area, so we've got some great talent. I shouldn't say that because Stanford has great talent too, but Neerav, actually, I had the pleasure of meeting him a few years ago when he gave a lecture in my course on sex differences in human physiology and disease, and it was a very interesting lecture, and so I was very happy that he agreed to come back down. We're then going to hear Stem Cells and Reprogramming in the Neural Lineage by Marius Wernig, and Brain Signatures of Behavioral Sex Differences, Russell Fernald. And we'll be making the slides, we'll be letting you know that we're getting to the next talk, but we're not going to be standing back up here and telling you each person. So that you're going to hear 3 very dynamic presenters on very interesting topics, and then they will interact with each other and with you.